As photographers, we often get caught up in mastering the latest techniques and tools. I am Eva Polak, and today I want to share an important reminder. No matter how many skills you've perfected, the true magic of photography lies beyond the technical. Your camera, your lenses, even your most advanced techniques, they are all just instruments. Their purpose is not to take center stage, but to quietly enhance the story you are telling, the mood you are creating, and the emotion you are evoking. In this video, we will explore how to let your subject shine, how to use your skills to amplify its beauty without overshadowing it, and how to craft images that captivate your audience, drawing them into imaginative worlds filled with wonder and discovery. Are you ready to take the storytelling to the next level? Let's dive in. There are countless ways to delve into Impressionist photography, and with each new image I capture, I uncover fresh avenues for artistic expression through my camera lens. Each photograph becomes a stepping stone leading me to new perspectives, techniques, and emotions. It's a continuous journey of discovery where creativity thrives in the uncharted territory of what could be. I find myself constantly embracing the freedom to take risks, breaking conventional rules, experimenting with light, texture, and movement, and asking the empowering question, what if? What if I shift my focus to blur the boundaries of form? What if I played with layers, letting multiple exposures weave their own story? What if I let the colors melt into one another like a painter's brush strokes? These musings fuel my exploration, reminding me that Impressionist photography, it's not just about capturing an image, but about evoking an emotion, a fleeting moment, or the essence of a scene. In this pursuit, there are no mistakes, only opportunities to push the limits of imagination and to see the world through a lens that celebrates the fleeting beauty of light, shadow, and movement. Every what if is an invitation to rediscover not just the art of photography, but the art of seeing the world anew. While it's crucial to familiarize oneself with various techniques, it's equally important not to let them overshadow the essence of your image. This balance can be challenging, as the excitement of mastering a new skill or applying a novel method often take center stage. However, relying too heavily on technique risks turning your photographs into mere exercise in technical proficiency rather than expressive works of art. I often observe that among individuals who focus intently on perfecting the how of photography, inadvertently losing sight of the why. The heart of the image lies in its ability to tell a story, evoke emotion, or convey a unique perspective. Techniques should serve as tools to enhance those qualities, not as the focal point themselves. Instead of aiming for perfection in execution, allow room for spontaneity and personal expression. Ask yourself, what I am trying to communicate through this photograph? How can this technique support that vision? When used thoughtfully, techniques can elevate your work without overwhelming its core message. Ultimately, the most compelling images resonate not because they showcase technical mastery, but because they connect with the viewer on a deeper, more intuitive level. Remember, photography is not just about what you see, it's about how you see it, and most importantly, how you share the vision with the world. For many photographers, the technique employed to create Impressionist images formed the cornerstone of their journey into this captivating style of photography. Don't get me wrong, I find immense joy in discovering new methods and expanding my creative repertoire. Experimenting with fresh techniques, it's not just educational, it's exhilarating. Each new skill offers a fresh perspective, sparking inspiration and opening doors to endless creative possibilities. That said, it's crucial to remember that the techniques themselves are not the final destination. Instead, they are a pathway that lead us to something deeper, the ability to convey an impression of a subject. This impression, a fleeting mood, a play of light, or the essence of a moment, it's what truly matters. The risk lies in becoming so fascinated with the technical aspects that we lose sight of the purpose behind them. After all, Impressionist photography isn't about showcasing how skilled you are with your camera. It's about using those skills to evoke feeling, spark imagination, and share a unique interpretation of the world around you. When exploring new methods, always ask yourself, what I am trying to express? Let the answer guide your creative choice, ensuring the technique serves the vision, not the other way around. Mastering the fundamentals of light, form, and color, it's the foundation of Impressionist photography, enabling you to create images that resonate with emotion and artistic intent. By understanding how light interacts with your subject, how to form composition, and how color sets the tone and mood, you gain the tools to paint with your camera. These elements serve as a brushstrokes of Impressionist effects, allowing you to express not just what you see, but how you feel about it. The journey to success is paved with consistent and mindful practice. Each time you experiment with techniques like soft focus, intentional camera movement, or multiple exposures, you refine your skills and deepen your understanding. With dedication, the mechanic of these techniques will become second nature, freeing your mind to explore the subtle, more personal aspect of your craft. As you grow more proficient, you will begin to develop a signature style, a unique voice that sets your images apart. This is when you can pause to reflect on what makes your work distinctly yours. Is it the interplay of colors, the dream quality of the light, or the way you capture fleeting moments in a poetic, painterly way? These personal touches are what transform a technically skilled photograph into a piece of art, infused with your vision and creativity. Through this thoughtful approach, you create images that go beyond mere technical mastery. You offer your audience an immersive experience, an opportunity to pause, reflect, and engage with the story you've so carefully crafted. If you are yearning to venture beyond the realm of specialized techniques and explore the creation of more captivating Impressionist images, I invite you to join my online course, Impressionist Photography Advanced. This course will give you insights into advanced techniques, refine your artistic vision, and unlock the potential to mesmerize your audience with your creative work. Link in the description below. That's all for today.